We've got ourselves some Tesla over. We've got my guy trading with CJ, my homie trading with CJ. I was gonna say CJ so cool. If you don't know who he is, YouTube it. But you can see the title right there is a high risk. Okay, so this is a high risk stock portfolio update. Adding some pies, and obviously this is episode 5, as you guys can see. Adding some pies, episode 5. That rhymed. I don't even think he meant to rhyme it, but yeah, adding some pies, episode 5. So without further ado, let's get it. YouTube's Ronnie MP. Whoop!
It's RonnieMP.com.
Wanna join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification. Then let me know that you subscribe down below. That's it. Hey yo, what's good? If you know who it is, it's your boy Ronnie MP. Thank you and welcome to a brand new video of It's Ronnie MP, the show where we bring not me but you guys, a bunch of financial videos suggested by you guys and you guys only. So be sure to leave your suggestions down below. But I really want to get started for this one, okay? Because it's just past Christmas, so Merry Christmas to every single one of you guys out there. Even though it's just past, but anyways, hope you had a good Christmas. I have to mention that we've reached 1K on this channel, so whoop. Like I want, like if I had like a celebration noise to clap, I'll literally clap it because it takes a long time. Yes, we can actually. Thank you guys, thank you. Like I want to thank my mom, my dad, and everyone that we've reached 1K, so absolutely amazing. Smash that like button on this video if you haven't already done so. Trading 212 is the platform that we use to be able to trade, invest, and all of that stuff. We don't do trading, but invest. So link is in the bio if you want to join. Deposit £1 into the account and you get a share that's valued up to £100. Don't say I didn't warn you, but you do have to deposit that initial £1. Fund the account with £1. So let's get to CJ's stuff and see what he's talking about today.
And I hope you've all had an amazing Christmas full of food.
I told you guys, Christmas, it was full of food.
And today I thought we'd do a little update on the high risk
pregnant belly
portfolio.
right there.
It's not been
from
too
eating
long
too much.
Since we had a look at it, a few weeks, but there has been some changes. So I thought, why not update you all? And if you want more updates on this, the stock league, anything stock market related, then be sure to smash the like on this video.
That's it right there. So definitely show him some love, which we're about to do right now. So we're gonna smash that like button. And obviously we're already subscribed, so boom,
so the last time
let's
we saw this
go.
Portfolio, we added another £1,000, making it £2,000 invested with
My
positive
guy
returns of 469.
So this might be a decent example for you guys just before it begins. If you've got a portfolio, maybe you're trying to build a similar kind of portfolio where it's high risk stock, then this might be a few suggestions what you might say, you know what, I like that, I might consider this. But obviously just time it correctly. You can't time the market, but I mean, like, just do some more research so you're not buying in too high. But then again, don't do too much where you don't invest, because time in the market is way better than trying to time the market.
And you may have noticed from the thumbnail, but we have now added another 1,000. So this is now a £3,000 high risk portfolio.
Let's go, my guy's cashing it in.
With this 1,000, I've gone ahead and put it into some PIES. Now, if you're not familiar with PIES, basically it's like creating your own ETF. I've done a few different videos on them, so I'll leave it in the link in the description below. You can check it out. Trading 212 PIES. Go ahead and click those links if you want to know more. But basically, these two pies are going to be stocks that are already in the portfolio. So I've not added any new ones. I've just built onto those current positions. And I've got two different pies here. One is called Recovery Play, and the other is called Speculative
Invested.
Growth.
Okay,
So
19%. Nice, man.
Recovery Play pie. And there's only two stocks.
I'm assuming Tesla's contributing a lot to that.
They're both in the travel sector. So I'm hoping to get some good gains on these over time once we see travel start to recover and people traveling again, and these companies making money. Basically it's high risk because they're struggling right now, but we've added to CCL and TUI. TUI holds the big chunk of this pie, particularly 75% compared to 25% for CCL, and these are two positions that I hold in personal portfolios as well. But basically TUI currently has about 185 in this pie and CCL taking about 60. Not much gains or movement on these at the moment. Like I say, I only made this a few days ago. I haven't quite split this evenly because I feel like CCL has had a big run up. I'm up a huge amount in my personal portfolio for CCL. Whereas TUI, it hasn't seen as much gains, to be honest. It's kind of been a bit more flatlining. So I feel like there's a lot more growth there with TUI at the moment in terms of recovery play. Like I say, these are going to take a while though, so I'm not expecting any real profits on these two particularly anytime soon. And the second pie here is the speculative growth. Now, the speculative growth pie got the majority of this investment, £750 compared to £250 in the recovery play. So this £750 has been split across 4 stocks, 4 of my favourite companies overall in every portfolio I own. These are 4 of my...
Let's go. So you already know, yeah, some of them are going to be speculative. Majority, apart from Tesla, maybe. Because come on, their growth and where they plan on going, their future projection, what they've mentioned in the past, they have accomplished. That's the sort of company that I put my trust in. Obviously, I'm not going to put like 100%, but like 99%, 98%. Why? Because if a company mentions something like years ago that they're going to be accomplishing by this date and they don't accomplish it, and you don't feel like they're accomplishing it, or you feel like you've been lied to, then maybe, my friend, that's not where you should be parking your money right there. So just something to think about.
High risk one,
Food for thought.
Can happen. They're not really proven at the moment. They're very early days for all of these companies.
Tattooed Chef is that?
Tesla's probably the most
proven
one that everybody knows and loves, but it's still early days compared to where this could be in years and years to come. So
1,000%. So I agree with that. It's still early days, because I see this company, Tesla, being a trillion, multiple trillions, by the way, in the years to come. But however, I believe 17 plus years. So, and I look at a company as in not how long it's been, because it could be 25, 30 years, but if you haven't accomplished what you said you was going to accomplish, or you don't seem to be making progress, then that is useless. It doesn't matter if it's 40 or 50 years that your company's been running. What gains or what progress are you making? Are you accomplishing your mission? In this case, for Tesla, is basically to have every vehicle on the road as to be an EV, to accelerate that, you see, so that there's more, so there's less pollution and all of that great stuff, right? And you can see they are clearly doing it. The autonomous, the AI is learning each and every single time there's a new Tesla on the road. It's learning, okay? All right, data-wise, over 15 billion worth of data. I believe like the rest have around about 25 million, you see. So it's really a beast in itself. Honestly, I kid you not. Do your research. You see what I'm talking about.
Space.
I can't speak too much about Virgin Galactic. I'm not invested in them. Or Tattooed Chef.
In the links in the
or Beyond
below.
Meat.
And I haven't quite balanced this evenly. I've put the most into Tattooed Chef, then Tesla, and then Beyond Meat and Space.
So my guess is most likely he's put in a lot into Tattooed Chef because he believes in the growth. I mean, look at it. It's currently at 20%, isn't it? 20.8%. So this is just clearly just me just saying what I believe CJ was thinking about. Because Tattooed Chef, he sees a lot of potential growth right at the beginning stages. I would say Tesla's a lot more grounded than Tattoo Chef. However, I am hold on, let's see how much he had in Virgin. What is it, Virgin Galactic? Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's see how much he had in that. Okay, cool. 1.7%. So that's really speculative. That is, which makes sense as to why it's fairly low. So the both of them is Tesla and Tattooed Chef. If it was me, I would do, honestly, I'm just keeping it 100. I'm not saying, I'm just saying this is the suggestion that I would do. I would make sure definitely that Tesla is the biggest, because right now, I've said it a few times on this channel, today's highs are tomorrow's lows. Remember this, mark my words, today's highs are tomorrow's lows. And I believe in a few years' time, maybe even as little as 3 or 2 years, we're going to be seeing, oh my days, I can't believe how cheap Tesla's stock price was back in 2020, well, being the end of 2020. So 2021, maybe in 2023, we're going to be looking back and saying, oh my god, it was so cheap. So silly. So I'm mentioning this for the people who are watching, maybe the beginners, people that were in my shoes when I was told that I'm doing this wrong and all of this is too risky and all of this. So this is a potential route you might take. Notice I mentioned potential. Okay, I'm trying to give you guys as much as value as possible. I notice I said potential. It might not suit you, okay, but I go off results. And if there's no results, then I'm sorry, the data just doesn't back it up. But however, if there's results, and the company is the executing in regards to the targets that they're setting, and they're moving forward, then you can't fault that. Forget about being a fanboy, fangirl, and just don't be a sheep. Okay, look at the details. What's the details telling you? What is the data saying? And judge it off that. Okay, I understand some of these are speculative, so you just have to basically, it's a guessing game. But I'm not here for guessing. I'm literally here to try and make as much money as I can. A lot of people will beat around the bush and they will lie about it, like, well, I'm just doing it for fun, a side project. No, you are investing to make more money so that in the future you're in a better situation than you are in today. Let's not lie about it. Let's not beat around the bush. Okay, so you guys want to know my opinion? That's what I would do. But obviously, 1,000% I respect what CJ is doing as well, because we're each in different financial situations and in different stages in life as well. So you have to obviously bear that in mind as well. So yeah, but so far I'm loving this already, man. There's so much to talk about, and it's even a 6-minute video, but really there's a lot of value to take from this. So honestly, thank you for this, CJ. God bless you. God bless you. Let's go.
Around about the same, about 17-18%. So at the moment, this is just the pie alone, by the way, not already what was in the portfolio. Tattoo Chef is on 20% gain. It's had a big run up as of late.
Keep that in mind.
You may see a pullback, but it's doing very well lately. They're currently on £474.
Yeah, Tattoo Chef is doing good, man. I can't lie for him.
And then we've
20%.
got Tesla, 175 with a couple percent gain. And then they're all about 1 or 2%. I haven't really moved much the last three, Beyond Meat and Space. And they've both got about £90 in it as well. So it's still early days. Like I said, I've just created these pies, but these are positions that I hold in the main portfolio. And Tattoo Chef, thanks to this pie, is now my largest position in this high-risk portfolio. And overall, it's up about 20%. £800 in there at the moment. And the second largest is now Tesla with £760. Very big gains overall, up 59%.
I'm telling you.
This pie has a rebalance my overall standings for the portfolio. But like I say, I'm happy to add to these positions. These are 4 companies that I feel like their current price,
good potential.
Okay, Tesla might be a bit overvalued right now, and some of the others, but
he's about to say what I love.
In the future,
oh, CJ, you did it. CJ, oh my days. My guy, he said it right there, and I honestly believe that as well, because I've been trying to take a look at Virgin Galactic, right? A Tattooed Chef, I don't know, I've just never been I don't know why, not because I don't like him or anything. I've just never had the time to look into it, because I like my strategy is with each stock that I'm choosing, I want to do extensive amount of research so I feel comfortable enough so that when things go upside down or things aren't performing as well, I don't make irrational decisions. I'm like, with all this fear mongering, like, oh my days, like they launched a rocket into the sky and then it came down and crashed and it blew up. So that means probably Tesla's going to blow up as well. No. We ain't finna do that, all right? We want to make educated decisions, not based on hype, not clouded judgments. We want to make the exact decision that we believe, you know what? Forget all the nonsense that's going on. I believe, definitely. Why? Because I've looked at the balance sheets, but it's not, with Tesla, it's not a company that you look at the balance sheets and be like, oh, that's it, because the last few months, I tell you what, the last few months, something was different about Tesla. It was bare different. No, it's not that. It's, you see, potentially where are they going and what's their destination, okay? All right? So if you're going from, I don't know, from Birmingham to London, you don't look at the stops in between, but you look at like London, like that's my final destination. Some of you guys will arrive at Luton, you're like, oh my days, that's it. The train said this might not go on. No, you're going to London, okay? So please don't get off at Luton. Hopefully you get that, all right? But CJ, man, bloody heck. Trust me, short video, but I loved it.
Gains on all of these 4 companies. So yeah, I've added.
I believe, honestly, I do believe that.
To what I had it in at the early stages, but yeah, the room for growth there is incredible.
Is enormous.
So that's the PIES. No new positions there. I haven't sold out of any. I've just built on some current ones. Let's have a quick look at where we are currently on this portfolio overall. We are
3,500, 19%. Okay, cool.
19.46% with gains of £582.
That's
so
good.
It's going in the right direction.
Yep.
And please remember that this is just my high risk portfolio that I've created on the side. A lot of these stocks are gonna take a long time to recover, or they are speculative.
Upwork
so
7%.
In the future, they could be worth a hell of a lot more. And
I'm telling you,
is huge.
insane,
But
bro.
with that being said, I'm
love it. At the end, so he's just mentioning he's not a financial advisor.
your own research first.
Do your own research and everything else that I always tell you guys. So it's the truth. As I said, I keep it 100 with you guys. Don't listen to anyone and just be like, you know what, I'm a sheep, I'm gonna go ahead, and whether they're a financial advisor or not, because best believe it, there are some bad financial advisors. Okay, there are plenty of football players, but not everybody plays like Messi. Not everybody plays like Ronaldo. Why? Because there are some football players who are also bad. They're not good at football. They shouldn't be playing the Premier League, but however they got lucky, or you know, it's the connections. And so don't just, oh, it's a financial advisor. Yeah, definitely. Oh, definitely. Some financial advisors don't even hold stocks themselves. Okay, they don't even have shares. And us beginners, quote unquote beginners, are more quote unquote advanced than them. Why? Because it's about experience. We often hear it's about time in the market, not timing the market. So please tell me, if you're not in the market, then I think you don't have experience in the market, my friend. Okay? If you're not in the gym lifting iron, I think you don't have experience on how to gain muscles. I don't care about the books you read. Okay? So that is what I want you guys to keep. This is vital. A bunch of people will tell you nonsense just for views, just to I don't know, so they boost their numbers up. But I'm honestly here to help you guys make money and give you guys as much value as possible. And it's period. Okay, and that's on my mama, son. Okay, that's on my mama. But if you guys enjoy this video, be sure to smash that like button. It honestly does mean a lot. It helps get this video in front of like-minded people, entrepreneurs, millionaires and trillionaires, potential millionaires and trillionaires and billionaires such as you and me. Because if it's possible for one, then it's possible for all. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. If it's possible for one person that you've been watching online, best believe it's also possible for you. But you just need to be willing to put in the hard work so you can finally obtain that goal. Okay? My name is Ronnie MP, and I'm about to drop the mic because that last speech right there was fire. But okay, guys, if you watched the video all the way till the end, and I know most likely Singam is my guy, and he's been definitely watching these videos all the way from the beginning to the end, which helps immensely with watch time. So if you're watching right now, bro, I appreciate you beyond what you even think. I appreciate you. That's how much I appreciate you. And anyone else who've watched all the way to the end right now, I appreciate you so much. Please just comment in the comment section down below, MP team, okay, the MP team, and it'll let me know that you watched the video all the way to the end. It's like a secret code. This way I know whoever comments something else, you know they didn't watch all the way from the beginning till the end, obviously, because they wouldn't have known when I've mentioned this. So just comment the MP team and it'll let me know for this video that you've watched all the way till the end, so I can appreciate you even more and try and give you guys as much value as possible. Okay, so Trading 212 link is in the description if you want to get started. Deposit £1 into the account and you get a share that's valued up to £100. Free of charge. You just have to fund the account with £1. Please let me know once you do, because I feel like my link hasn't been working recently. So please, if you do that, let me know so we can track this down. This way I can ensure that you get your free share as well. Okay, so please let me know. But apart from that, guys, once more, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. All of this means a ton for the channel. It helps the channel go far, very far. So please be sure to do that. It goes a long way. I can't even stress that enough. Alright, guys, by watching this video, you did not waste your time. Don't forget to tell your haters to get in line. Check out this awesome video right there, that awesome video right there. If you enjoyed watching this video, you'll surely enjoy these two. The subscribe button is right there once more. Alright, guys, peace out, much love, and yeah, bye bye.